Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera here from MDC Trading Academy with today's pre-market forecast for Friday, February the 4th. The first week of this month is completed. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this morning as everything just happened early. Of course, information about unemployment. Our unemployment rate has increased by 0.1%. So that's also a movement in the market. But the great news of the market this morning is obviously what happened with Facebook and the technology stocks yesterday. Let's quickly jump to our analysis as we jump on our daily chart here. And as we can see, we do have a bull flag here. The next level of support obviously is going to be the 200 SMA. Remember, we went above it. We held above the 220 SMA. Now the market is coming back here. And a little bit higher volume. If you see the trend here, the volume actually decreased as we went above the 200 SMA, as exactly as I told you. But now we're above it again, once again, with huge volatility. Although we flattened out a little bit at 98 here on our ATR, there's still a lot of movement, a lot of volume. So careful where you place your stops. Let's go a little bit deeper behind our analysis to our next time frame here. What do we see here? We see in the market obviously returning to this support and resistance area. Let me mark this way so we can see a bit more clearly. Talking about this resistance and the support here, which was the level of price movement that we had previously earlier in January. Kind of danced around it for a while. And remember the question, what is it going to hold or break? It clearly broke below it, but here's where we are once again. After all of that movement, market comes right roaring back right into this level here. We're looking to see what happens. The same question again. Is it going to break? Is it going to hold? This time it broke, right? It broke. Now it went below the previous support. Use it as resistance. Another retest, and it drops. Now, can this be an oscillation from this point here all the way down, all the way back to this particular price level here from late January? Or is this just a run and a simple retracement? Right now, we're between a 38 and a 50% retracement of this overall move that began in January 28th, right around there. Is that what it is? The market can potentially lower itself all the way down to this level here. But my hypothesis is if the market breaks below the 61%, it's going to be below the 200. We're going to have a lot of panic in the market once again. A lot of volume. It's going to get a little bit crazy. So let's see what happens today. Right now, our signals are looking like we're looking for shorts. And let me just show that clearly. We're looking for shorts as long as the market remains behind this trend line and behind this yesterday's intraday low. So we're looking for the market to remain short. Remember, the big test is the next test of the 200 SMA. That's going to be a make or break day. Make or break moment for this market in reference to continual movement, at least in the short term. So keep your eyes open there. If you see the bounce there, you see the market tearing up above these key price levels, particularly this minimum from yesterday, then there's a nice shift in the market. So try not to fall in love with either side. Wait for the confirmations. Don't forget to place your stops in safe places. Have a great session. We'll have a great weekend. Take care.